Good morning, crafters. Miss Ashley here with you. Today we were supposed to have a DIY slap bracelet craft that you would make using a piece of a measuring tape. But the instructions that I had didn't tell me the width of the measuring tape that was required. So the kind that I bought was too thin. Didn't really work as well when I went to make my sample. So I have bought for us instead as it goes flying across the room. It definitely works. I have bought for us instead a template to use that works much much better. Go ahead and use either the duct tape that's provided for you inside of your kit or any other duct tape that you have at home. Sharpies would probably work as long as you let them dry. Any other material you've got lying at home that you want to give a try, go for it. But if you're not familiar with slap bracelets, this is how they work. Ta-da! Quick and easy craft, but I think you'll like this one. So yeah, give it a shot at home. Let us see how they work. Let us see them when you come back into the library, because in case you haven't noticed, top floor is completely open. You are welcome to come on in and browse the books up here in the teen space. Use the computers, spread out on the tables. The floor is yours. So I can't wait to see you. Talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.